Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So we've heard the term mudjacking before in our tips of the day. Well, the biggest reason that we don't provide mudjacking service is because we can't stand behind the warranty or the work. We don't feel comfortable recommending a product or a procedure that we know is going to fail in the long run. When we're pumping slurry underneath a concrete pad or slab, the weight is just way too much and you're putting way extra overburden on soils that have already proven they can't hold the loads. So that's why we don't offer mudjacking, and that's why we offer polyurethane grout injection and jacking, because of those issues. So keep that in mind next time you're looking for a slab leveling company, and that's your foundation repair tip of the day.